Prepare to be shocked by this incredible story of inheritance and family drama. A former cleaner has won a £43 million inheritance battle against a stepson, the golden boy of the family. Meet Richard Scott, a larger-than-life tycoon and father of 19, known as the Car Boot King. Richard's vast Cheshire farm, where the popular ITV show Car Boot Challenge was filmed, has become the centre of a heated legal battle. Richard, a true character, married his former cleaner, Jennifer, 28 years his junior, in 2016. But here's where it gets controversial. He wrote his eldest son, Adam, out of his will, denying him a share of the multi-million-pound fortune. Jennifer was left as the sole inheritor of Richard's estate and farmland, which she believes could be worth up to £43 million. Adam, feeling wronged, sued his stepmom, claiming his father was not in his right mind when making the decision. Adam's story is one of dedication and hard work. He claims he gave up everything to commit to a life of physical labor, believing he would one day inherit the farm. But Jennifer's lawyers argued that Richard knew exactly what he was doing when he disinherited Adam, citing a breakdown in their relationship as the reason. And this is the part most people miss. Adam had already received land and property worth over £10 million before Richard's death. So, was it truly about the money, or something deeper? Today, Mr. Justice Richards ruled in favour of Jennifer, dismissing Adam's claims. He stated that while Richard suffered from a brain condition, his decision to disinherit Adam was more about his personality than his mental state. Richard's personality, described as ruthless and single-minded, led him to make decisions based on his perception of his family's actions. The court also heard that Richard's relationship with Adam had been strained for years, with Adam allegedly trying to prevent the marriage between Richard and Jennifer, claiming Richard lacked the mental capacity to marry. This claim was investigated and dismissed by registrars and a lawyer from the local council. At the time of his death, Richard owned a vast amount of land in Chelford, Cheshire, officially valued at around £7 million, but Jennifer believes it could be worth much more. Adam's lawyers argued that he had dedicated his life to helping his father run the farm and manage the car boot sales, and was promised the land in return. But in 2016, just months after his second marriage, Richard signed 2 wills disinheriting Adam and leaving Jennifer in control. Jennifer's 2 sons and Adam's sister were also named as beneficiaries. Adam's legal team argued that his father lacked mental capacity when making the wills and that Richard had promised him the land under the law of proprietary estoppel. However, the judge ruled that Richard's decisions were not a result of dementia but rather his strong personality and his perception of his family's actions. So, what do you think? Was Richard's decision fair, or was it influenced by his deteriorating mental health? This story raises important questions about family dynamics, promises, and the impact of personality on decision-making. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your take on this controversial case.